Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram new update video call screen sharing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, go to manage apps, tap on search Instagram application, click on Instagram application, click on storage, tap on clear data, again tap on clear cache data on Instagram. Step 2. Again tap on apps permission. You can allow all Instagram apps permission. Step 3. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device. Again open your Instagram application, tap on message icon, call any Instagram friend, after receive your call, you can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram new update video call screen sharing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.